Hello there, bonsai beginners. This afternoon, we're going to show you that how we're going to transfer this material to a bigger pot. Okay, maybe you'd say that this plastic basin is big enough. Okay, but this is, for me, I'm still going to transfer this to this very large clay flower pot. Well, the purpose there is to build a big primary branches like this one, to make it into proportion to the trunk. See, so I'll do a turnaround. I'll remove this material so you will see how it looks. Okay, so that's the way I do make thick branches. So first you plant it in a quite large plastic basin or a bonsai pot, a large concrete bonsai pot. Then as soon as this fills up, then it's time to transfer to this big flower pot. You may ask, why not put it direct? So there is such thing as overpotting. So you have to let the roots fill in first this plastic pot, and then that's the time to transfer it there. You cannot put it directly to this flower pot, otherwise overpotting can occur and can rot your roots, and it will not grow roots. Rather, it can die. So there's a principle to that. I can explain that in other videos, but for now I will just show you that we are going to transfer it to a flower pot. There are other ways though to increase this size. You plant this directly to the ground, but the problem there is when you have to manipulate this from time to time. Okay, you have to wire and you have to look at the design and see where your plant is going. So this is more comfortable for me because I can look at from the underneath and then decide what to do while it is growing here in the big pot. So Dong, can we now start, Dong? Okay, what we are using, what type of soil is a coarse one. The most bottom part are very large stones as 1 inch diameter, and now these are coarse, very coarse, you see. So again, for good drainage. Okay, go. So we're going to tilt this again and so that we can shake this up, rock this from the plastic basin. This is a tough job, but this is how it is to be done when you want large bonsais. Okay, so we're now going to put it in here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready? Okay, it's all in. See, some roots there. Sakla na, sakla na. Tindog ni mo. Okay, fill in some more soil there. Dito sa iyang kwando para sakto na dong kay ngurag patindog na to gid gamay. Suki kuno dito. Importante man gud nga ma-submerge. Now what is important is that all the roots should be submerged in soil. So if you want to have large branches, primary branches, you have to have large roots. You cannot grow large roots in a shallow pot. And that's it. Large roots means large primary branches. Okay. Large pot means large roots, means large primary branches. And when you are satisfied with the primary branches, the thickness or the girth of your primary branches, then that's the time to put it back in a bonsai pot. And during the time you will be able to do a lot of cutting, and that starts your root training. So we'll be putting more soil, and that's the principle. And I hope you learned something. Thank you.